You pack it, we pick it. Hey, hey, from Grande Prairie, Alvera, hanggang Pilipinas, we bring love closer. Oh, and glow, let's go!
Sa bawat kahon na iyong pinupuno, may kwento ng pagmamahal na totoo. Mga pasalubong, pangarap at alaala para sa pamilya kahit malayo ka.
Dito sa Canada, no need to worry, we pick it up, we deliver safely. Para sa mahal mo, para sa pamilya, Balikbayan Box, hatid ang saya.
Kahit malayo ang pagitan, love will always find a way. From Canada to Philippines, let's bring your love every day.
You pack it, we pick it. Your labor of love, we bring it to your loved ones. We care from up above. You pack it, we pick it. No matter near or far, winning flows, Balikbayan Box, we carry your love. Yo, Grande Prairie, Alberta, ito ang home base. Canada to Pinas, we're moving with grace. Kahon na puno ng love, bawat isa is special. Para kay mama, papa, family, nothing is impossible. Dahil papabalik ka sa bisyo maasahan, para hindi ka mahirapan, kami ang asahan. Forex, cargo, agent, ready to serve you. Every Balikbayan Box will help you get through. From your home to the road, from the road to the sea, hanggang makarating sa pamilya, that's where we wanna be.
Hindi lang kahon ang dala namin, kundi pagmamahal na iyong ipinapadala rin.
Every package has a story, every box has a dream. Owing blow, making distance feel less in between.
At kahit ilang milyang layo, ang puso natin ay hindi nagbabago.
Sa bawat kahon na ipinapadala, may yakap, may ngiti, may pag-asang kasama. You pack it, we pick it. Your labor of love, from Grande Prairie to the Philippines, we'll bring your love in love. You pack it, we pick it. Your family is our goal. All in blood, Balikbayan Box service. We deliver heart and soul. Canada to Pilipinas, love knows no distance. All in blood, Balikbayan Box service. We bring you love, we pick it. Your labor of love, yeah. You pack it, we pick it. Your family is our goal. All in blood, Balikbayan Box service. We deliver heart and soul. You pack it, we pick it. You lead the la la, deliver love. All in blood, Balikbayan Box service. We bring you love. You pack it, we pick it.